digital. To the news app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that move.
SC. Tafari ya githima kia moyo iri ikorwo igiuka haha. SC. Tafari ya githima kia moyo iri ikorwo igiuka haha ukamenya kihonia na ugathikiriria na ugateithika. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini na oho igacokerwo muthenya wa mwambiririo thinacara hwaini. Ndukahetũkwo ni tabarĩra ĩno nĩamu haha niho githima kia muoyo.
Koigwa rugambiru gakimenya ru nitwagicenjia kidogo tutengere kure iharo-ini citu na nigetha tukimenye nacio ciana cia tumia uria ikoretwo ikigarika na tukambiriria nati njorua ya Commonwealth ihenya-ini ria mita 100 Ferdinand Omanyala ni agire mweke wa gugacangarara ari mucii hindi kana wa gucangarara ari mucii hindi ya ikireka ria gatandatu ria mahenya ma Kipkeino Classic maria mahaririirio kiharo-ini kia Ulinzi Complex. Omanyala alekirie ari wa gatatu ihenya-ini ria mita 100 akihuthira sekondi 10.7 ihenya ria Kennedy wa Australia andikithirio hotani akihuthira sekondi 9.8 nake Bayanda Wazala wa Afrika ya muhuro arikia ari wa keri akihuthira sekondi 10.7.
Go sub 10, but to beat Ferdinand Omanyala and the world junior champion Bayanda Walaza. Great run from Kennedy.
Lachlan Kennedy though, 9.98, another Aussie goes sub 10. That is fantastic for the 21-year-old. The Aussie record 9.93.
Not a good race as we wanted, but of course we are correcting mistakes as we move on. Yep.